On question number 5, I'm trying to find fog first. So I'm going to plug in the g function into the f function. So I want to start by copying the f function, but put a open parentheses wherever I see an x. And I'm going to put kind of a tall parentheses because I know I'm going to have to plug in this fraction here. And now I'm ready to simplify. And this one kind of simplifies in an interesting way because the 6's go away, and that'll leave you with x plus 3 minus 3, and then those 3's go away, so you're just left with x. So now let's look at Goff. So this is g composed with f of x, so you want to plug in the f function into the g function. So I start by rewriting the g function just with an open parentheses wherever I see an x, and then you want to plug in the f function. And then simplify from here. So the 3's actually go away, and you're left with 6x over 6. And then those 6's cancel out, and you're left with x. So this kind of leads into another topic, which is inverse functions. Whenever this happens, this is actually kind of a special thing. If you get x for both your fog and your Goff, then your two functions are inverses of each other. And that's going to be our next topic in this section.